giving a small tour of my room at the Executive Hotel Le Soleil at Vancouver. So these are my bags. This is the living room slash sofa bedroom. Okay. So here's one of my bags. This is the TV. And there are two more cabinets. Then we will go ahead. There's a mirror here. Oh, there are a wardrobe here, which basically has nothing in it other than hangers and an iron and a locker. Then we have the bathroom. The bathroom's pretty cool though. Here is the shower. It's really cool. And there's pretty much a glass door. Here are some bath towels. This is washroom. Some toilet paper. Basin. So this is the bathroom. Now we'll go over here to our coffee maker. How cool is it? There are cups. Okay, so let's go move on to the bedroom. So here there are some foods, an apple, some juice, some water. Here there's another TV. Then here is my specimen that we have collected here today that I need to ship tomorrow, which will be collected tomorrow. And this is the view. Here it is gonna be 5 o'clock, but it's still pretty sunny out there. You can see my phone, right? Then there we have a lamp here. You can see there's a mirror. This is a good painting. My laptop. And here are a few things that are important to me, like my passport, my power bank, a scrunchie, my charger for my laptop and my phone, and the travel adapter, and a beautiful letter, of course. And here we have a lamp. These wall prints are really amazing, yellow and white. I really like them. The temperature right now here is 23.5. Pretty cool, huh? Pretty much my room, a queen suite room for sweet 11 days. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comment section below.